Hello guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be playing Warplanes WW2 Dogfight. There's also a World War I version that is also free because this game is free. I might play that another time, maybe I should have played that first, but no. Let's just play. Anyway, Germany.
In 1942, the war is in its most critical state. The New World Order is about to be established. The Luftwaffe has formed a special top-secret squadron, hiring the best and the most trusted pilots serving in the Air Force. The new squadron leader is about to take command of this elite unit.
Okay. Start. I have already gotten a few of the buttons down, so yeah.
Pilot, haben Sie verstanden? Ich habe verstanden. Reden Sie weiter. Wir haben hier eine
It's
Situation.
German.
Südlich von Ihrer Position wurden mehrere feindliche Kampfflugzeuge gesichtet.
How funny.
Sie sind jetzt
It's
unser
German.
einziges einsatzbereites Kampfflugzeug.
How funny.
Sie müssen sie eliminieren, bevor sie ernsthaften Schaden anrichten.
That's so
Verstanden,
funny.
Kommandant.
That's so funny that it's German. I think German is a funny language. And I'm learning it in school and it is extremely funny. Let's shoot that down. And like that. I've done it. Oh, there's more? Oh yeah, there is more. If this goes like the first one, then this is gonna be very good. And the controls are very easy. You fly with the mouse and then you shoot with the mouse button and you lock onto them. You shoot them with the left mouse button and you lock onto them with the right mouse button. I should probably take down the sound a little bit. Oh yeah. 2 seconds, I got the volume a bit down. I hope I didn't just take it fully down, but it sounded very loud from here. Anyway, let's start the next mission. I didn't read all that in the bottom. I'll do it in the future. I just didn't focus on that this time. We're dropping bombs over here. So let's bomb these people, right? Right, we have gotten 4 of the fuel tanks, because we're destroying fuel tanks, I guess, to stop the allies from having fuel, I guess. You can also control with the WASD, not the arrow keys though. Boom. Good. Do you want to stay in the mission and destroy all remaining enemies for an additional reward of 2 gold? I don't know what I can do with 2 gold, but you know what, okay? I will. It's not very good at destroying ground troops, I guess. This is not good. I'm being shot at. This is not good at all. Yeah, this is not going good. This is not going good at all. I'm being shot at. Right. Right. I'm so close to just being shut down by these. I think this is this Soviet or is this... It's not Japanese because Japan was on the team of Germany. They were on Germany's team, so why would the German be shooting at them? I shot 1 down. That's 1. That's better than nothing so far. I got that one too. Yeah, this is not going good. Right. I I shot that fighter down, but it's not looking good. I'll turn around to get... I'll turn around. Oh.
Mission abbrechen.
I guess I'll restart the mission. I should not have stayed in the mission. So I'll be back once I'm done. Now I am back to this point and I'm just gonna finish the mission now. Let's see. Excellent job, squadron leader. Finally, I can show you the base. Let's visit the hangar. Yeah, reward. Press there. A solo mission may be spectacular, but they're dangerous and rare. Often you'll need multiple planes to coordinate the attack and achieve your mission goals. The next task requires a bomb and a fighter for escort. I'll show you how to manage it. We currently have 2 planes at the base. The fighter wasn't part of the last mission, so that's true. You must order the crew to operate all the flight. Let's do this now. Get ready. Next mission. I'll click that one as it says. Press to change. Now it's ready. Actually, your fighter's ready for the new assignment. Don't worry about the other options at the moment. I'll show you how to upgrade your planes later. It's time for the next mission. Okay, right. May control any plane during the mission to change planes. Okay. L and N changes what plane I'm flying. Right, I shot that one down. Right, I shot that one down. Okay, ground targets. I think I need a bomber for those. L. The bomber now. Alright, now I'm in control of the bomber. And I'll destroy these. I think the anti-aircraft. Yes, they said artillery. I'm pretty sure that means artillery. And as a Danish person who lives right next to Germany, I should know. Right. L. I want to control the fighter at this point. Shoot them down. Shoot him down. Shoot him. Shoot him. He's down. Now I wanna control this plane. Oh. There's more. This one is going after me. That one. You shall not go after my friends, I guess. Yes, I got it! Oh yeah, that's great. This elite unit has the best mechanics in the country. They can increase many of our planes and turn them into state-of-the-art machines. Let's order them to upgrade some planes. This one, yeah. Engine, upgrade for 5. Currently, we just received information on your next mission. Proceed to briefing. Choose mission type. Offensive mission, naval mission, defensive mission. That's... I can choose now? Let me see. Upgrade crew skills. Let's just upgrade that too. That too. Why not? Why not? What again? Why not? You too. Why not upgrade it? I mean, it's a good idea in my opinion. Let's do it. Let's upgrade. What's the... Yeah, that should be fine. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's just take offensive. You know what? Did we ever try a naval? No, we did. Oh, there's a description. I didn't know. Right. We only have 8 bombs. That's not good. We only have 8 bombs, it says. Should be enough for the boats, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. There's 6 boats. Alright. I I hit that one, right?
Bombe ab.
I hit that one too. While I'm at it, I can also shoot some
Bombe
planes.
ab. Bandit ausgeschaltet.
That one missed. I mean, now I can't miss any.
Werfe Bomben ab.
That one
Habe
hits.
es geschafft. Feinde. Sieger gesichtet.
Yeah, okay, I hit that one. I'll stay as slow as possible. And I think I'll come from behind.
Bombe ab.
Right, good. I'll turn around now. And I'll do it again.
Bombe ab.
I did it.
Schwimmt in die Mission. Ziel der Mission
I'll stay on
erreicht.
mission this time. And this time, I don't think I'll lose.
Feindlicher Jäger sinkt in Flammen.
Now for what I'm actually made for.
Geschwaderführer.
Fighter
Ich verfolge
planes.
dich für den Abschluss. Das ist ein bestätigter Abschluss eines feindlichen Jagdflugs.
You.
Ziel ausgeschaltet.
Right. Let's get these.
Ich nähere mich für den Abschluss. Ich nähere mich für den Abschluss. Flugführer, ich stehe unter Beschuss.
Alright, we got
Bitte
them.
und-
Alright, got that one. Get them. Get him.
Jäger ausgeschaltet. Feindlicher Jäger
Got
zerstört.
him. Oh no. There's more. Why would you fly past your enemy like that? Now you gave me a good chance to just hit you all. You're all dead. I mean, why? But now I did that. I think I'll do one more mission. You can expand your squadron by buying new planes. Go to the hangar and purchase. You can choose any plane value up to 200 gold for free. There's reward for saving it. Yeah. Up to 230 gold for free. For free. FW190 or BF110. That's a hard one. There's the FW200 Condor. That was a plane owned by the Danish Airlines, which was a the national airline of Denmark before SAS. I think I'll be taking the FW190. I'm made for fighting. I will be doing one more. This time I'll do a normal offensive mission, and I'll be flying my new FW190, and I'll just be shooting down planes. That guy's down. Right, I got him. Get him. I got him. You. Why are you flying away from the battle, you coward? What are you doing? Right, got that one. Again, like that. Oh, you. Good. Come on. That bomber. Why are you not bombing? If you run out of... You've not even run out of bombs. I mean, why are you doing... Finally somebody is doing something. Right, I was about to hit the ground there. So it turns out that it doesn't want to do anything. If something's gotta be done these days, it gotta be done by yourself. Right? I got it. Great. I think this is a good place to end. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.